Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to mirror picture in Photopea software. So get ready started. At first, open your Photopea document. In this video, I will show now you can see mirror picture in Photopea. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option. Now select. Now we show the now find your picture. Now click from picture. Now select, then click from open option. That we show the open from Photopea software picture. Now you can see. Now select from first layer option. Now click from mouse right button option. Then click. Now click from duplicate layer. Now move the duplicate layer. Now this picture mirror. Now you can see, now select from keyboard, press Ctrl T. Now we can see, then click from mouse right button option, then click. Now select from rotate on 180 degree. That is. Now going to the move tool option. That is. Now you can see mirror picture in Photopea software is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.